Hello everyone. Set to redefine the concept of conventional fashion and make impact the fashion industry. We, Team FibTread, are a sustainable social venture and we will be presenting our solution on this year's Hult Prize Challenge, redesigning fashion. In the beginning, we'll be addressing two main problems. The first problem is the plight of workers. Have you ever taken a moment to look at the hands of various farmers, workers, laborers, masons, and carpenters? Do you know that due to the harsh working conditions, they face numerous health problems such as skin cancer, dermatitis, bruises, cuts, and various skin infections? Now, coming on to the second problem, the problem of old tires. Have you ever seen and looked at landfills where tires are buried? Do you know that after you throw the tires away, they either end up in landfills or they are burned in factories, which releases a large amount of harmful gases that are very harmful to various animal and plant species. Do you know that due to these harmful gases, our lungs, our organs, and various animal species are affected? Addressing these two problems, we present to you our solution. Low cost gloves and safety kits made up of old tires and tubes, addressing the issue of medical problems faced by workers. Our product comprises of safety glove that will be used in the construction industry. The interior layer of a glove will comprise of cotton fabric, whereas the hard exterior layer will comprise of tire and tire tubes. Tire tubes will comprise of majority of the portion of a glove, and the hard exterior layer in which that will wear the most will comprise of old tires. Now, coming on to how we are redesigning fashion. Fashion has been confined to aesthetics for too long. The concept of fashion is limited nowadays to expensive clothes, luxury bags, and various other dresses. It is high time that we redefine fashion and complete the basic needs required in fashion industry. Do you know that a large majority of people in India don't have access to ample clothing to cover their bodies? Do you know that many people don't even know the meaning of fashion? So it is high time now that we redefine fashion. And firstly, we give the basic need to all people. Now, for moving on to the plan, firstly, we'll be contacting the auto repair shops and mechanics and we'll acquire the old tires and tubes. We'll collect the required raw materials. After that, we'll create awareness in the public about a product and we'll see wherein and where the product will be required. After that, we'll be manufacturing the product and starting up the mini enterprise. And after that, we'll be marketing the product. Now, the cost of a product has been calculated for approximately 3,000 pair of glove that will be made in nearly 30 days. The cost of glove after including the basic cost of raw materials, materials needed for sewing, the cost of labor, electricity, packaging, transportation, rent, and marketing and advertising came out to be nearly 81.02 rupees. This price is not including the initial cost of machinery. Now, after including the initial cost of machinery, including the sewing machines, jigsaw, rubber cutters, tube lights, and fans, the actual cost of one glove came out to be nearly 85.88 rupees. That is much cheaper than the other gloves that are available in the market. Now, our venture will create numerous jobs in various segments. The local garage and scrap dealers will be needed for dealing with the tires and tubes. Machine operators will be needed for operating the machinery and comprising and fulfilling the other operations. Swing operators will include swing experts and housewives. We'll also require experts from the advertising and marketing industry. Future scope include the construction industry, automobile industry, farming industry, chemical industry, and cleaning industry. Our target products will include safety kits, boots, and mattress and flooring in the future. So join us in a venture to make fashion more sustainable and redesign and redefine fashion. Thank you.